I'm Cherry Hall. I bought a house that had a beautiful view of a green belt, except that there was no view because the windows were so fogged and just they got worse each of the years that I've lived here, and so I had to have them replaced. My children, because I'm a single parent, my 4 boys told me that I should have at least 3 estimates. And so I had one company come out and I sat through this terrible lecture. And then he had the audacity to tell me if I made a decision that day that I would get a certain discount. Then I went to Angie's List and I found Zen Windows and called the owner, and he sent me the information. Plus, he didn't want any money up front. I mean, how can you go wrong if somebody doesn't want you to pay them up front? They're so sure of their product, so sure of the installation, so sure that you'll be satisfied, they don't ask you for money up front. And so I went with them and I'm thrilled to death. I mean, the view I have now with no fog windows is absolutely amazing. The light, it's really lifted my spirits to have these windows. But the windows are great. They're easy to operate, and I don't know if anybody can tell on a video, but I'm a fairly small woman, 5'2". These are easy to operate. They've shown me how to open them up so I don't have to worry about going outside. They open right out so you can clean the outside of them, clean the inside, keep them this bright, fresh sunlight and nature coming in. I'm really impressed with them. I can hardly wait for my kids to see them. I love the demonstration that they gave to me where you close the window and it pops back up. I'm thinking, that's kind of odd, but it does that because there's a thing down there, I'm not very technical, but it seals it. So you have to do that to get that perfect seal, and there you go. I am thrilled with my new windows. Pleased and happy.
Call us today and find out why we say relax. Window quotes in 5 minutes.